You should have seen my face when I was daydreaming about Easter candy, and I came up with this combo of malted chocolate cupcakes and marshmallow frosting, and I put them together in my head, and well, it has become a reality. Since spring is here and with Easter around the corner, it is the best time to make some cute bunny cupcakes. I have tried them out, and trust me, these will make your Easter brunch a big hit. If you're looking for some other recipes for Easter brunch, or just because you're hungry, my friend Kristi over at Inspired Living with Kristi, she's made her own delicious dessert. I will let her give you a little intro right now.
Hey guys, I'm Kristi, and I am super excited to be doing this collaboration with Maria today. I know she's making y'all a yummy chocolate cupcake, and I am gonna be making you a super simple and delicious key lime pie recipe, my husband's favorite. So I hope when you're done watching her video that you'll hop on over to my channel and check out my recipe, and then while you're there, go ahead and check out some of the other videos that I have to offer you. I am on a journey to live my most inspired life, and I love having y'all come along and join me on that journey. I make weekly lifestyle videos on the topics of cleaning, organizing, home decor, and more. I hope when you visit my channel, you'll also hit that subscribe button and join our community. We'd love to have you.
Thanks for the intro, Kristi. Her key lime pie sounds so delicious. I can't wait to try it out. Now, for these Easter cupcakes, they are pretty easy because I did a shortcut by using a box of cake mix. All the details are in the cute decor anyway. So let's get right into this recipe for chocolate malted cupcakes with marshmallow frosting. For the chocolate malt cupcakes, you will need 1 box of Devil's Food Cake Mix, 3 large eggs, 1 1/4 cups water, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 1/2 cup chocolate malted milk powder, 3/4 cup sour cream. The first step to make the cupcakes is to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Line the cupcake pan with cupcake liners. I found these spring themed ones at Dollar Tree. Combine the cake mix, eggs, water, and oil. Beat until well blended, about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Add the chocolate malted milk powder and the sour cream, and then beat on medium to high speed for 2 minutes. Fill the cupcake liners 3/4 full and bake for 18 to 20 minutes at 350 degrees. Check that they are fully cooked with a toothpick inserted into the center. The toothpick should come out clean, and then they are ready to cool down while you're making the yummy marshmallow frosting. For the marshmallow frosting, you will need 1/2 cup of butter at room temperature, 7 ounces of marshmallow fluff. I've actually never used marshmallow fluff for anything. I don't think I've ever eaten it. So this was fun to try out. 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and I decorated mine with marshmallow peeps bunnies. For the frosting, you will first beat the room temperature butter and the powdered sugar until it's fluffy and well mixed. Then mix in the marshmallow fluff and the vanilla, and mix that well together. And the final step is to dress these cupcakes up for Easter. There is so much cute Easter candy to choose from. You could do any combo of candy that you like. I just couldn't resist all the cuteness. If you loved these Easter cupcakes as much as I did, please leave a comment below and consider subscribing for more Artsy Cupcake tips on the art of life, home, health, and style. Don't forget to check out KRISTI'S key lime pie recipe. I will make sure to link that in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.